In today's technology-driven world, computer literacy has become essential for children to establish their own educational foundation. Do you know how to utilize it?
आजकल के दौर में टेक्नोलॉजी में बहुत एडवांसमेंट आई है जिसमें AI, robotics, automation which changes everything. Like playing games, they can play latest and technical games that can help them advance their skills and learn something new. Same like it brings advancement to their schools and in their homes क्योंकि वो गैजेट को घर और स्कूल में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। जब हम बच्चों को मोटिवेट करते हैं तो वो टेक्नोलॉजी को बेहतर तरीके से सीखते हैं और उसको बेहतर तरीके से रिटेन करते हैं।
It is blessed time for kids to empower themselves with the vastness of knowledge, being confident and being a good citizen.